Hey guys, this is Seth from Tech Shift. I got a pretty cool unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna be unboxing the BlackBerry PlayBook. First off, I want to thank Len Tao for the gift. He got it for me as a gift for my birthday, early birthday, which was a complete shock to me. And I just want to thank him again. Thumbs up for him. And yeah, let's begin. Alright, here's the box. And there's my cat right there. We got a nice matte finish. Very nice, very plain. How is this? How's this opening? Do I have to cut anything? Yes, I do. Alright. Pardon me for a second. I gotta cut this open right here. Alright. It's kind of difficult with one hand, but I think I can manage. Oh, okay. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Let me focus on that real quick. We got a... Oh, okay, I see. See what they did. This is the playbook in a little sleeve. It's right here. Let me just put that away for a second. It's a nice contrast right here. Nice blue. We have... What do we got here? This is... What is this? Excuse me for a second. Alright. Okay, let's see. This says... There's a quick overview. Your BlackBerry PlayBook tablet comes with complimentary technical support for 90 days. Okay. I wrote that. That's all in different languages. And that was it. What's under here? Okay, we have the... What is this? Is this the battery? No, this is the charger, I think. And what is this? This is, I believe, all the instructional booklets. Yes, product information. Go through that real quick. Okay, this is all technical stuff. Anything else? Oh yeah, what is this? Made in China. What the hell is this? Polishing cloth. Oh, okay, this is just a microfiber. I see. See if I can focus that for you guys. Right. Alright, that was it. Just open this real quick. Is this even? Pardon me. Alright, we have the charger, wall charger, and we have a USB. Let me take a look at this charger real quick. It has a nice BlackBerry logo. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's nice and compact. I like how they did this. Be a nice travel charger. Very cool. Alright. Guess that was that. Let's take a look at the playbook. Let me just take the sleeve off. Come on, get off. Excuse me. Whoops. Alright, here we go. Has a Very shiny. Seems very small. Very nice. That's the rear facing camera. I believe that's the front facing, right there, yep, that's the front facing camera. And let's turn it on. See if we can get it to start for us. There we go. Sure, why not? I'll just remove this. Why not? Hopefully it'll turn on first. Alright, right there. BlackBerry PlayBook. We can test the boot up time. This is it's my first impressions of it. I know some people do unboxings and then they just put it back together and they rehearse. This is a real unboxing. It's my first impression of it. And so far, we got some pretty animations. He's like, what the hell? Seems like it's taking a little bit to get started. Maybe that's the load time. What's it? Swipe to continue. Your new, I'm not sure if you guys can read it. It says, your new BlackBerry PlayBook tablet is packed with best-in-class features, making it the world's first professional-grade tablet. Plug it in now, then swipe to start setup. To exit setup at any time, press the power key and everything will be saved for you to continue later. You'll begin by connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Swipe to continue. Alright, let's swipe. Where do you want me to swipe? How do you want me to swipe? I'm swiping. What's going on? Alright. Hold on a second. Is it that way? This way? Alright. Okay, there we go. So, connect to Wi-Fi. Let's connect to this one. Boom. Enter, I know the password, so let's use that. Let me just enter the password real quick. Alright. Let's connect. Acquiring IP address. Alright, there we go. I'm connected. Swipe to continue. Set date and time. Use 24 hours. Yes, I like the 24-hour clock. Eastern time. Current time. Swipe to continue. There we go. Okay, country. United States. And what is this right here? BlackBerry ID. I agree. It says, oh, who reads these anyways? Let's go. My BlackBerry ID. Do I remember my BlackBerry ID? I don't. Alright, I guess I'm gonna stop the video right here, because I do not know my BlackBerry. Oh, actually, I think I do. Hold on a second. Where's the @ sign? My password. No, actually that's not right. Sorry guys, I know this is kind of boring, but you know, it's a setup. What can you do? You have successfully signed into your BlackBerry ID account. Ah, sweet. Swipe to continue. Checking for updates. Alright, okay, this is gonna be the boring part. I'm gonna end it right here. Alright, that was my unboxing and quick impressions of the BlackBerry PlayBook. So far, you know, I can't really say much. Has some good weight to it. The tablet looks nice. And yeah, it looks nice. I can't really say much. Alright, that was it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want, and have some more videos up soon. Thanks. Bye.